Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing you all my PR packages and monthly beauty purchases I have got so far. So let's get into the video. So let's start with the PR package I got from the brand Bioderma for this month, and this is basically their gel sebum face wash, which is perfect for normal to combination skin and oily skin. I'll share my personal experience about this on my Instagram page, so stay connected to me on my Instagram page as well. So then the next one is Blue Heavens Kiss and Blush tint, which was only for rupees 80 on Zepto. This is in the shade Muted Peach, and I just love the shade, and the shade suits me so well. I just loved it. Yes, this was only for rupees 80 on Zepto app. There was any offer going on, so I thought why not give it a try, and I'm just loving it, and I'm gonna get another shades as well. Then the next one is this Mars Eye mascara, I'm sorry, which was on Meesho. I guess I got this from Meesho or Nykaa something, and I thought why not give it a try. This was also on sale, and this wand is so amazing, which will separate each and every lashes and gives you amazing volume. You can give it a try. Then I wanted to have some colored liquid liners, which is from brand H&N. This was on Meesho for rupees 98, and you can create thin strokes from this brush. I just loved it, and these are smudge proof as well, and this I would recommend you buying this. I can give it 10 on 10, which is like a really amazing. Then I got this Everyouth Golden Glow peel off mask from Nykaa for rupees 59, which will be very amazing for instant glow at home if you're going anywhere for any party or occasions. Then I got this cute mini teddy keychain liquid lipstick, which was for rupees 140 for set of 3 liquid lipsticks, but my mother took other 2 shades, and I can swatch you only this one. This is also smudge proof and long lasting. Just look at the shade. This is like so pigmented, a mauve pink shade, and I can give this as well for 10 on 10 rating. Then I got this Swiss and Beauty Apricot ADS mascara for 212 grams. This is perfect for your body scrubbing, but I don't recommend you doing this for your face, scrubbing it on your face, because it has harsh micro beads. I got this Handiana single lipstick from a random store, but you can get this set of 12 lipsticks for rupees 200 from Meesho. I'll share the links in the description box below. You can check it out. I just love this nude pink shade. I got the single shade. Then another one is I got this set of 5 nail extension glue from Meesho, but I don't recommend you to buy this because it is very similar to Fevikwik, which will make you in trouble to remove your nail extensions. This sticks your nail extension so hard, so think before buying this. I don't recommend you to buy this. I just regret buying this. Then the next product was from Created Trusted Deals by Shivani, which was as a PR or reimbursement collaboration, you can say. This is basically a Swiss Beauty's non-transfer lipstick. I wanted to have these lipsticks from so very long time, so I thought why not give it a try, because I'm getting it in a collaboration. This is in the shade 427, a rose pink shade or mauve pink shade. This is also smudge proof and transfer proof, plus a matte finish. Highly recommend. Then the next product is also by Shivani's Created Trusted Deals. You can check her Instagram page, as she have already shared many deals on her page. This is by a small brand, I guess, because just look at this cute packaging. I just loved it. This is basically set of 4 smudge proof liquid lipsticks, mini liquid lipsticks from the brand LA Otter, and I can only this is like so mini, so you can use it for your traveling purpose. This will suit medium to deep skin tone, and this was only for rupees 98 for set of 4 from Flipkart, and the shades are super amazing. Then the next product was directly by the brand. This was also a reimbursement collaboration, which is from yunme Intimate Dryness Control Wash for women. I have already shared my experience on my Instagram page, so please go and check it out. Then this is one of my favorite purchases I have got so far, which is from Bella Vita perfume, luxury perfumes. This is CEO Men, which is so amazing, and this is a unisex perfume, but I love this fragrance. This will give you amazing long lasting plus bossy fragrance. And I got another variant from the same brand. This is also a reimbursement collaboration from Bella Vita, which is their Date Woman perfume, which smells so fruity, floral, musk plus vanilla fragrance, and this will not give you any migraine. If you're someone who gets migraine after using perfumes, you must definitely try. This is really amazing. Then I got this PR by Ad Central agency. This is a Rene collaboration. This was Rene collaboration deal, which is a Rene's makeup fixer and Rene's pure matte lipstick. I don't recommend you to buy this fixer because this will spoil your makeup instead of fixing your makeup. Like a big no, 0. I could rate this 0 out of 10. This has smudged my makeup instead of fixing. And I just love this lipstick, which is their pure matte lipstick. The lipstick shades, you have many different variants. I got this in the shade 01 rosy shade, which is like a dark reddish pink shade, in the shade 01 vintage rose. This is okay instead of, but I don't recommend you to buy that makeup fixer. I'm sorry, Renee, for this. And then the next product was also from Zepto. I wanted to have a concealer blending brush, so I thought why not order it, because it was only for rupees 80. But I regret buying this because this is basically like a eyeshadow blending brush which will not blend my concealer. But what can I expect in 80 rupees? Then the next product was also a PR from 4 Trees. This is their vitamin E face wash, and they have also customized my name on the packaging, and I just love the packaging so well. I will share my experience on this face wash on my Instagram page, so don't forget to stay connected on my Instagram. And thank you for watching. I hope so you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video.